Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's Mike here at Game From Scratch, and it looks like Humble are going hard after game developers again this month, because what we have is the RPG Asset Mega Bundle joining a number of other Humble bundles running right now. This one is from the GameDev Marketplace. It is a number of 2D assets. Now, they're in RPG Maker format, which means you can drag and drop them into RPG Maker, and they will be good to go. They're in RPG Maker style tile sets, and they will work really well in RPG Maker, but there's literally no reason why you can't use these in Unity, Unreal, Godot, whatever 2D game engine you wish. They will work just fine. In fact, I may actually use these in an upcoming 2D Godot tutorial I was thinking about doing anyways. So, how does this work? Well, it's a collection of stuff organized into tiers. You buy a higher value tier, you get all of the stuff below it. So at the $1 tier, for example, you're getting these 14 items. At the medium price tier, you get all the rest of this stuff. And for the full fat tier, which is $20 USD, you are getting 63 sprite packs here. You decide how your money is allocated between Humble, Charity, the publisher, and if you so choose, and thank you so much if you do, to help support Game From Scratch. I'll show you exactly what you get in terms of redemption for these. You download them from Humble servers. I bought this one, so I'll show you how it works. At the $1 tier, you're getting a number of very low resolution pixel packs, so like 16 by 16 sprite style up to 24 by 32 sprite style here. So a lot of Game Boy NES-ish style packs, plus we've got some interface icon packs and so on, and we got a couple of tiled worlds in a couple of different graphic styling here. So that is your $1 tier. We jump up to the median or average price tier, and you're getting the Fantasy RPG interior packs, tile sets and characters, Halloween packs, so desert and Halloween there, heroes, icons, and so on. So if you're looking to create, again, a top-down style RPG, tons of sprite packs in this particular one. Then you're getting the dungeon tile sets, futuristic vehicles, robots, Time Fantasy Japan, and so on. So you're getting a number of different, again, RPG Maker style top-down sets. And then if you go to the full-fat version, the nice thing is a lot of these packs are from the same creator, so there'll be a consistent art style between them, and you'll be able to pick up more of that creators later on. We've also got, so a couple more packs from that creator. We've got the Rhino Burr, futuristic cities and futuristic dungeons, city fantasy gothic castle, a couple more packs, rogue encampment, tropical island, crystal caverns, winter village, rural Japan, time fantasy, steampunk fantasy, future fantasy, and a bunch more. So we got craftland, town mine, so again, another creator. But this art style will mesh pretty well with the others that we saw here. The only ones that might look a little bit different are these futuristic style ones here. But even then, there's a pretty consistent art style between these, so they should be able to work as long as this overarching art style works for your game, regardless to the different creators involved here. So mostly it is environmental tile sets here. Not too many character packs. So we got a couple of special effects packs here, which is like, you know, things like lightning, multiple frames of animations of lightning there. But yeah, pretty straightforward art pack on the whole. If you are looking for, you know, that 16-bit top-down RPG style that we all grew up on, if you are my age, anyways. In terms of what you actually get, they are redeemed on the Humble servers. That does mean that you're not going to constantly get updates over time. Like, this is basically you're buying a snapshot in time of these assets. So there's no guarantee that these will be updated in the future. So you're getting what it is. It's not like this is going to be a Unity or Unreal Engine store redemption where you're going to get called to multiple uploads. What you do is you updates, not uploads. You host them on their servers here on the Humble servers. I mean, I can't speak today. So, for example, here's a 27 megabyte file, the futuristic vehicles. Let's go ahead and download that one. Here, let me actually not full screen my thing so it doesn't go on the other monitor. And let's download it again. You're going to see, boom, it's down. Let's do 30 megs. Boom, it's down. So if you're hosting it from their servers are very quick. So you get an idea of what you're dealing with here. A number of different sprite packs here. So if you're doing special effects, they're available there. But for the most part, again, what you're going to see here is tile sets for use in your game. Everything here is under this Pro license. Let me just accept the thing here. It hasn't changed over time. It basically allows you to use these in games, commercially, multiple games if you so wish. You can't use your assets as redistributed as assets, so that basically means you can't host them up on an asset store, for example. And it will also limit you from being able to contribute these assets for use in, say, an open source project. So that's about all you need to worry about from a licensing side of view, but you can use them commercially in your own game, whatever. Here I've accidentally downloaded a couple of things and had some stuff already down here. Here's the futuristic cities, for example. There's even a little guide here, which is kind of cool, that shows you how to how to use the assets, what's available in here, which is kind of cool. These ones are very much in RPG Maker format, so it's even got the RPG Maker name, so you literally could just drop them in to your project. But in terms of using them, again, you can use these in any engine whatsoever because it is just a sprite sheet. So any software that supports texture atlases, you can use these. And I'll give you an idea of one of them in action right here. They're just basically spaced on a sheet. So you just say, it's a 32 by 32 or 16 by 16 asset. It'll break this up into grids, and you're good to go. So again, you can use this in any kind of game engine whatsoever, and hopefully I'll get something up before this asset pack is done with on Godot. I've been meaning to do, again, Godot 4 2D and 3D tutorials now that Godot 4 is here, so maybe I'll use this as inspiration for my 2D tutorial. But yeah, you can use these in Godot, no problem at all. You can use them in Unity, Unreal, and of course RPG Maker. They are in the format that RPG Maker requires, so that's what this weird naming convention is all about. So if you're an RPG Maker fan, these work flawlessly in your environment. So ladies and gentlemen, that is the bundle. It is the RPG Assets Mega Bundle from GameDev Marketplace. Again, about 63 assets, probably I would say about 50 of them are tile packs. And if you're looking for terrain environments in that, again, 16-ish bit art style for the majority of these things, could be a good pickup for you. Again, and they're all under that same license, which does allow you to use things commercially. So RPG Asset Mega Bundle. Let me know what you think. Comments down below. Talk to you all later. Goodbye.